present is the best Christmas present that I ever did get in the world till I open up the next Christmas present. Oh my god, how'd you know? 2 cents in my size, what a festive feeling till the next Christmas present, and you'd never guess, but it's the best Christmas present in the whole wide world!
Oh, a tea towel!
This Christmas present is the best Christmas present that I ever did get in the world till I open up the next Christmas present. Oh my god, how'd you know? 2 cents in my size, what a festive feeling till the next Christmas present, and you'd never guess, but it's the best Christmas present in the whole wide world!